Hi everyone. How is everyone doing? It's Leonor Gomez here. Sorry about this. It's Leonor Gomez here with another video. The video I promised, which I apologize because I said I was gonna do it the next day, and then something happened, and then I didn't put it up. So today I'm making the video. My apologies on the noise. My husband is watching TV, and for some reason he can't hear it, so he has it very loud. And my kids are over there fighting for YouTube or Cupheads or whatever. So if you're new to this channel, you came across this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, family, everybody. My name, again, is Leonor Gomez, and I'm here to do the membership site walkthrough for SSM, Successful Solution Method. Okay, I was thinking that in one of the videos, I think I did a little walkthrough. I am not sure. I don't remember. So if I did the little walkthrough, then yeah. But today I want to do a little bit more into it. I promise I'm not going to be very, very long. I'm not gonna make it like a 30-minute video because I don't want to bore anybody, but I just want to go through a general walkthrough and what you're going to expect when you do sign up with so uh, Successful Solution Method. I need another coffee. I'm done. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna right here. I'm gonna share my screen right here. So this is the screen right here. I'm gonna go to the membership area because I was already in it, but I didn't, I think I didn't get out and whatever. So like I said, I think I did in one of the videos, I did a walkthrough. I am not completely sure. So my apologies, please. I am not completely sure if I did the walkthrough or not, but I'm gonna do it now. Sorry, these notifications are getting on my nerves. This is getting on my nerves. Okay, so let me take this off. All right, so it says welcome to Successful Solution Method. And now that I'm looking at this, I think I did. Yes, I think I did do the quick walkthrough, but I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so when you sign up with me or whoever becomes your sponsor, because we have an amazing, when I tell you amazing team, it's an amazing team. Like everybody cares about everybody. We always try to help, and that's what I love about the community. So when you come in, you have to create a user name and a password. A username that you're going to remember, a password that of course you're going to remember, and that's what you're going to use to come into the membership area. When you come in, the first thing you're going to see, it's this message right here. Sorry about the hands, because you know this right here. So you have to click the video because it's going to give you, let me see, does it work? Let's try it. Let me see. I don't think it works. No, I don't think it works. Anyway, I thought it did in the beginning, but I guess it doesn't work now. Okay, so after that, disregard this, please. It didn't work. Okay, so you're gonna have, depending on what membership package you came in with, okay? We have bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come here where it says start here, okay? And here you're gonna have the different steps that you need to get done to get started with this platform, okay? Now, some people And I've had that, I've had this. Some people come to me that are already in the group, and it's good. It's amazing because you try to help them and all that good stuff. But I've had people come to me and be like, yeah, but what do I do next after they sign up, after they have their username, their password, and all that good stuff? I don't know why, but they don't get to see that get started or start here or whatever it was there. And they tend to skip the steps that you need to do. Okay, so there are, let me see, let me make sure. There are 5 steps that you need to complete that are the most important ones. Okay, here, I'm not gonna do it because I'm already, well, let me see. Let me see what happens when I do it. Let me make sure. Because I don't know. I think it's gonna take me to the group, but I'm already in the group, so I'm not gonna request to join. So it's supposed to take me to the group. For some reason, it's not. For some reason, it's not doing it. Ooh. Well, anywho. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, ah. Come on. Ooh. Come on, get out. Okay. All right. For some reason, it didn't. It took too long to do it. But anyway, you click here, and it's going to take you to the Facebook group. Here you have to stay connected because this right here is one of the daily tasks that you have to complete. Second thing you need to do is register to become an affiliate. Why? Because when you come into this opportunity, you want to make money. So you are going to learn, but you're also going to become an affiliate so you can refer people and then you can get paid. Okay, now here comes the part that I like the most. Step 3, increase your commissions. What does that mean? When you register here the first time, your commissions are going to be 30% of the people that you bring in. Okay, well, I said it wrong. 30% of what the people that you bring in pay for. For example, I'm not good with math, so bear with me, okay? Okay. For example, if someone comes in the $100 package, 125, you're only going to get $30 if you're in the 30%. Okay, does that make sense? Now, if you complete these steps that are to increase your commissions, they're going to be increased to 50%. Okay, when you come in, you click here, it's going to take you here. Let's see if it opens. Hopefully it opens. Because, yeah, it opened. Woo-hoo-hoo. It opened. It opened. Okay, so it's going to have the first video. It's going to have a welcome. You have to click, please. This is what I want to sound nice and cute and not be all over, you know. This right here, you have to look at every single video. Why you have to look at every single video? Because every single video has the details that you need to know what to do. Okay? So the first video is going to welcome you. Okay? So here you can join the Facebook group again if you didn't do it in the first tile, in the first little thingy, whatever you call it. Then you're going to have the next video, which is the payment proof video. Okay, these steps, you need to complete these steps every single time. Okay, you gotta click here. It's gonna tell you what to do. It says every time you receive a banner, you will, okay, every time you receive a payment, you will receive a banner being stated that a payment is on the way. Okay, so what does that mean? You're gonna receive in your message a type of banner. It could be $100 banner, a $200 banner, a $300 banner, $500, whatever. A $50 banner, a $30 banner. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many banners do you get. Let's say, for example, you get 5 banners in that day. That would be a lucky day. You get 5 banners. You need to take those 5 banners and you need to do 3 things with those 5 banners. Okay, so it's here detailed on this video right here, payment proof. Okay, and you click here to email it because that's the 3rd place you need to send your payment proof to. Okay, the trainings here, you come here every single time you need to register for the trainings. Sometimes the link gets updated and you don't have to register every time because you already have the link to go to the next training. But sometimes I like to register anyway because I'm kind of clumsy. And for some reason, my emails are like all over the place. And sometimes I lose the training email, okay? So I just register the same day in the morning very early, and I'm good to go. They send me the details. I just click the link at the time that is supposed to be, and yeah. Oh, and another detail, please put it on your calendar. Because if you're like me, I be forgetting stuff, okay? I be forgetting stuff. Listen. My kids were born 6 and 5 years ago, and I think I still have the baby blues. Okay, I be forgetting stuff. Like yeah. Anywho, back to the presentation. Yeah. Anywho, the same thing with the weekly webinars. The webinars is to keep you connected, keep you motivated. You can hear testimonials. You can invite people. Invite people to the webinar. So this way, you don't have to be explaining to people 9,000 times everything. Yeah, the webinars is for that. The webinars help you explain to everyone. So the next thing you have to do is purchase your traffic package. This is recommended for you to do at least twice a month. If you could do it weekly, good for you. If you could do it twice a month, good for you. But it's recommended twice a month. This is going to have the information of the traffic package details that you need. Okay, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Espérate. Ay. Okay, that's all you need to do. Okay. Here is, you can come here too and do the traffic thing if you need to. And now here is where you schedule a meeting with a success coach when you come in. Okay. As soon as you come in, you schedule a meeting so you can know what to do, where to go, blah, 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 all that good stuff, okay? All right, so you already did that. It takes you, if you're computer savvy, it takes you like 15 minutes. If you're not computer savvy and it takes a lot of time, maybe half an hour, it's not gonna take that long because it's not a lot of things. Now, depending on where you come in, okay? If you came in on the bronze package, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get the fail-proof traffic system, the webinar replays, the training replays. Everyone gets this. It doesn't matter if you come in the silver, the gold, the diamond, or the platinum. It doesn't matter. Everybody gets this, okay? So to go to the replays, you just have to click there. If it decides to open, okay. If it decides to open, you're gonna receive this right here on the bronze level. This is after the silver level, okay? So here is where you go for the trainings. You click the training, You go, you click it, it's gonna have every single training. Espérate, so it's gonna have every single, okay? This first video, ay, Caribe. This first video, please watch it. Please watch it because it gives a lot of good information here. So don't skip it, por favor. Please. I'm saying it in English, in Spanish, and I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna start talking Spanglish to people. Okay? Okay. So, like I said, por favor, please, this video right here, this one right here, por favor. Okay? Okay. Okay, I'm too much. All right, so the next one, you have all the trainings here. It's like, if I'm not mistaken, it's like maybe 8 hours. Oh, this is the one from last Tuesday. It's like 8 hours of training, 9, something like that. So everything is here, okay? All right, vamos allá, otra vez. Espérate, let me see if I do this right and it doesn't take me. It doesn't take me somewhere it's not supposed to take. Okay, the webinar, bleh, the replays. Sometimes I need. Okay, so here when you come here, you can register for the webinars right here. So there's different places that you could come register. Okay, so espérate, ¿cómo fue esto? Okay. Okay, so side hustle webinar. Okay, I was reading. I was reading wrong. See, it has different webinars, okay? Complete task. Everything is here, beginner friendly. Everything is here. All the webinars are here. So you just come in and join the webinars and whatever, okay? So let me see. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of the Bronx. Okay. So like I said, each one has, you're gonna have, oh yeah, let me explain this right here because you're gonna have, if you have access to the content, the buttons are gonna be green, okay? If you have access to the content, the buttons are gonna be green. Hey, Facebook, get out, okay? If you don't have access, okay, I know. So never mind, blooper. If you don't have access, the button is going to be gray. All right. So I hope that this video helped someone. I hope that, you know, that it'll help someone that comes in. And let me go back. Let me go back to me. Okay. I'm back. So I hope this video helped someone. I hope that what I was trying to explain came across good. And I don't have anything else to say. So just see you in the inside. And I hope you come join us at Successful Solution Method. My information for the website, for my Facebook, if you want to come follow me and get to know me and get to know my craziness and all that good stuff. My information is going to be in the description box below. And if you want to take a look at what is Successful Solution Method, the link will be in the description below as well. So thank you for coming. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and have a blessed one. Bye-bye.